Hey everyone, welcome back to Skillless Swim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to use the detailing tools. So let's get started.
Detailing tools are used to add 2D details over 3D model or to even create independent drafting views. They do not affect the model geometry, but they have importance in documentation and construction clarity. The best practice is to use detail lines and regions only in drafting views or detail views, not in model views until and unless it is necessary. So let's see how to use them in drafting views. To use them in drafting views, first we have to create the drafting view. For that we have to go to view. In create, beside plan views we have option for drafting view. Click on it. Here we can rename the drafting view for which we are drafting it, and we can also modify the scales accordingly. Click on OK. The new sheet for the new drawing view of drafting is created here. In project browser we can see that the drafting view or the detail view have been created. If I click on it, there is drafting one, that is this view. So in this view we will use the detail tools. For that, go to Annotate. Here we have option for detail, right? Here we can use these only in 2D drawings. One is in drafting, other in the floor plans. In floor plans also these are activated, and in elevation view also these are activated. But when it comes to 3D view, these are not activated. We can't use these detailed tools in 3D view. Okay. So let's go back to the drafting. Now select the detail line. Again we can choose any of these drawing tools to draw using the detail line. Once it is done, you can also modify the dimensions here. This is 1500 mm. So this is the thing. Again we can also add some components, right? Like this. If I consider this to be a detailed drawing of a door, okay, so I'm just providing like this, right? This I want to be it in wood and this in glass. I can also represent this using the region. Region is nothing but like we used to use the hatch option in other CAD softwares. Here we can use the region. Okay, click on region. Here in property palette, if I click on it, here I have options of these. Okay, one is diagonal crosshatch, transparent, these all. Okay, and there is option for solid black. If I select this and go to edit type, here I can see that I can also give the color here. So I'll duplicate it first. Okay, I'll name it as okay. Here I'll select the pattern for it. I'll select this. Okay, I'll select this and click on, or I'll select this, anything of your choice. Click on OK. Next is we can also assign the colors to them. Okay, go to it. I'll select this orange. Okay, and here I'll select this. Okay, and here also I'll give the pattern. Okay, apply. Okay, right. Once it is done, select the drawing tool and give finish. Okay, the hatching is done. Next I also want to add the glass here. So what I'll do, I'll go to region. Here I'll select the solid black, go to edit type. Here it will be solid fill only. I'll click on OK. Here I want the color to be cyan, let it be, and here I'll change it to solid. Apply, OK. Once it is done, select any of the drawing tool, click on it and give finish. Right. So this is how we use the detail line and region. Apart from this, there is option for revision cloud. If there are any joints or anything, I can provide this revision cloud so that I can highlight this and revisit it if there is any issue with it. And there is option for insulation, right? For acoustic walls, acoustic anything, I can use this. But the thing is, I can only see them in my 2D, that is in floor plans only. If I go to my 3D view, I can't find these detail tools like the revision cloud which I gave here. It is invisible, and the insulation on this wall which I gave is invisible, but in my floor plan it can be seen. Okay, so this was about the detail tools. Next we'll see the text. Here just go to annotate. We have option for text. If you click, you can type in the text. Otherwise what you can do is go to annotate, text, click and drag, okay, to give a full line. Again we can use these tools, to modify it. For example, select this. You can also add the bullets of your choice if required. You can align them also. Go to modify, click on it. Here we can use these to align, right? And we also have spelling check here. Okay, so for that, if I go to text, I'll name it like this. If I go to spell check, select this, go to spell check, it gives me options here, like what you want to give. If you want to give it the same, you can just click on the ignore, or select the stair, click on change, give S, it will change it. Okay, so similarly if I want to find any text, I can do it here. Go to find or replace, click on stair, find all. Okay, there is one match for this text, that is in the level 1 documentation, that is the floor plan. So like this we can use the text option also. Okay, so this was about the detail tools and the text option here. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our SkillLift channel. And hey, I have a quick question for you. What is the difference between detail lines and the model lines? Comment your answer below. See you in the next video.